Hi there. If you're responsible for a data governance rollout, chances are high that you'll have to do it as a deliverable within the confines of a wider ongoing business or IT transformation program. Now, whether you're hitching your wagon to an existing transformation or you're building standalone, the goal remains the same. You're looking to move data governance from being a manual and boring checklist to being a strategic enterprise capability. Now, most organizations run data governance as they would an IT program. And for many years, I fought against this. But also, as a data governance professional, I've learned to only fight battles that I can win. So, over the last few months, I've come to terms with the fact that this IT led approach by organizations won't be changing anytime soon. In light of this, I've adapted my five pillar data governance delivery framework to align with the most popular language that IT and the wider business are already familiar with, and that is the TOGAF Enterprise Architecture Development Method, or ADM for short. Now, for those not familiar with the TOGAF ADM, applying it to data governance works through establishing a data governance capability, which pretty much means standing up your forums and identifying your owners and stewards. It helps you connect business requirements, which is phase B. And then you start to work with data and application architecture teams, phase C. And from there, you take those requirements you have from the business and from the data and application architecture. You approach IT architecture, comprising network, security, storage, and probably other teams. You approach them with the requirements in phase D. You all come up with a plan and you take those plans into phases E and F. E is where you have a scan around the business to see what opportunities exist for you to plug your plans into some other program that might already be going on. Then phase F is migration planning. That then transitions into phases G and H. G is governance, and this is where you switch on the cadence for all your forums. And then H is also plugging in into existing internal frameworks like ITIL, change management, project or program management, and the like. Doing this and approaching data governance in this way, in this method, ensures that as the business evolves, data governance remains an active and integrated oversight function rather than just a stagnant policy document. Now, by rolling out data governance using the TOGAF ADM, you bridge the gap between the business requirements and technical execution in a structured manner. What makes the ADM and data governance work so well together is the fact both of them are iterative in nature. The ADM recommends loads and loads and loads and loads of tasks and activities and a heck of a lot of artifacts to produce along the way. But you won't have to build from scratch. What I have done is, in order to accelerate your delivery, I've developed a pre-built, fully editable Microsoft project plan. Now, that plan enables you to get going quickly. Okay. It includes the complete work breakdown structure. So everything, I believe, everything you will have to touch while working through the ADM phases, while looking through your five pillars, data governance pillars: people, process, technology, tools, and data. It, com- it comes with templates that capture all these things that you have to do. Now, you can download the plan and the templates using the URL that shows somewhere on the screen. What I'd love for you to be able to do with this is to build visibility for your program quickly, to gain trust with your stakeholders quickly, and to accelerate your credibility as a professional. I hope it helps you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.